Hey everybody, and today I wanted to show you two sums that sort of converge to pi, a rough approximation of pi at least. So we'll start with the top one. So we have the sum as n goes from 1 to infinity of negative 3.586 plus 1 over 10 to the power of n plus 2 over 10 to the power of n, all the way to 9 over 10 to the power of n. And so this would be all positive integers between 2 and 9. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or 9's already in it. So 3 to 8 over 10 to the power of n. And I've already done something like this, really similar to my channel. I literally just only replaced the constant of 2 to negative 3.586. So from that video, I know that we can sort of combine 1 over 10 to the power of n with 9 over 10, and then 2 over 10 to 8 over 10, and then 3 over 10, 7 over 10. Just keep doing that, and that you'll get 45 over 10, which is 4.5. So we can say that we have 4.5, but then that's when n is equal to 1. So we continue to add powers of n, and it becomes 0.45 and so we'll write this down. 0.45 and then 0.045. And essentially, as n approaches infinity, 1 over 10 to the power of n approaches 0, but you add enough 0.45s and lower powers of that it basically equals 5. So we can say that it converges to 5. So once we know that the fractional part of the sum converges to 5, we just add that to negative 3.586. So we'll just do that over here. Minus 3.586. We'll add some zeros. This becomes 4, 9, 9, 10. We get 4, 1, 4, 1. So we get 1.414, which most people know is root 2, or just an approximation of root 2, so we'll do that here. Root 2 approximately equals 1.414. So now we can do the same thing for the bottom sum here. We know that by adding these up, we can say that it's also 4.5. That's really bad. 5 plus 0.45 plus 0.045, and once again it converges to 5. So this time we subtract 3.268. So minus 3.268. This one should be pretty simple as well. So it becomes 4, 9, 9, 10. This is 2, 3. That's a bad 3. 2, 3, 7, 1. So this is the decimal approximation of root 3, so we'll take, that's a really bad square root sign. So we'll take root 3 is approximately equal to 1.732. So now that we have what each series essentially converges to, we can say that by combining these two series, so we want to add, so we'll do plus these. We know that they converge to both root 2 and root 3 respectively, so we can do 1.732 plus 1.414, and out we get 6, 4, 1 here, that becomes 3. So we get, wow, that's a bad 3. So we get 3.146, which is really close to pi. Pi is a bad looking pi symbol, is, well, I guess approximately equal to 3.14159. So this, our decimal approximations of root 2 plus root 3, is really close to pi. So if we have the sum as n goes from 1 to infinity of negative 3.586 plus 1 over 10 to the power of n plus 2 over 10 to the power of n all the way to 9 over 10 to the power of n, this converges to root 2, or 1.414. And then the bottom one, negative 3.268, and plus 1 over 10 to the power of n plus 2 over 10 to the power of n, all the way to 9 over 10 to the power of n, converges to root 3, which is approximately 1.732. And then when we add these two series up, we get 3.146, which is a really close approximation to pi. So yeah, thank you for watching.